Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only on the internet, secured by a technology called a blockchain, which is like a public ledger that everyone can see but no one can change. People use it for online purchases. People use it for long-term investments. But this new financial world can be risky. Its decentralized nature means there is no central bank to reverse a mistaken transaction, or recover your funds if they are stolen. This is why a safety-first approach is not just recommended, it is essential. This guide is designed to help you navigate your first purchase safely, using simple language and clear, actionable steps. The market is incredibly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically up or down in a very short period. Your first interaction with the crypto world will likely be through an exchange. An exchange is a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, trade cryptocurrencies for traditional money like US dollars or for other digital assets. Choosing the right exchange is the most critical first step in your journey. Select a large, reputable exchange that has been operating for several years, with a strong track record of security and customer service. Well-known platforms, globally or in your country, tend to have more robust security and regulatory compliance. Compare fee structures carefully and read the fine print. Check user reviews, support response times, and ease of withdrawals. Hard withdrawals are a red flag. Another key factor is the exchange's compliance with Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations. Reputable exchanges require identity verification, a protective standard measure. No verification platforms often operate outside regulatory frameworks, exposing your funds to higher risk. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine two friends, Alice and Bob, both decide to buy their first Bitcoin. Alice researches, chooses a well-regulated exchange, reads fees, checks security reviews. Bob wants speed and joins the first ad he sees. Months later, Bob's unregulated exchange shuts down and his funds disappear. Alice still accesses her assets securely. Taking time to choose a trusted on-ramp is not a suggestion. It is your first line of defense. Once you have selected a trusted exchange, create your account with an unwavering focus on security. Start with a strong, unique, long password, never reused from email or social media. Use a reputable password manager to generate and store credentials. Enable two-factor authentication, the single most important security measure. SMS is vulnerable to SIM swaps. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. For KYC, ensure you're on the official site, check URL and padlock. Then upload required documents. Beware phishing. A legitimate exchange will never ask for your password or unexpected link clicks. Treat your account like a vault. Never share passwords or 2FA codes. Build a digital fortress, you know. Section 4, Step 3, Understanding wallets and keys. A wallet lets you store, send, and receive digital assets. The wallet doesn't hold coins. It stores private keys. Private keys prove ownership on the blockchain. Whoever controls the private keys controls the crypto. Leaving crypto on an exchange is custodial. The exchange holds your keys. Convenient, but risky. Not your keys, not your coins. Non-custodial means you control the keys. More secure, but all responsibility is on you. Your wallet gives a 12 to 24 word seed, the master key to restore access. Protect it, write it down, store securely. Never save it digitally. No legitimate support will ever ask for your seed. For long-term holdings, a hardware wallet is gold standard. Buy new from the manufacturer. Now you are ready to make your first purchase. The most important rule is to start small. Only invest an amount you are completely willing to lose. Market orders buy at current price. Limit orders set a price you're willing to pay. Before confirming, double-check the spend amount, crypto quantity, and fees. As a beginner, focus on price over time, trading volume, and the broader trend, up, down, or sideways. Practice sending a tiny test amount to your non-custodial wallet to learn fees and confirm the process. Beware phishing and giveaways. Keep detailed records. Many exchanges let you download transaction history. Keep a small trading balance. Move most to hardware storage. Review security regularly.